Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove password protection from an Excel workbook. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I do want to point out is if you lost or forgot your Excel workbook password, this tutorial is not for you. This tutorial purely is for people who have a password protected workbook and would rather just remove that password protection just going forward. So that's who this tutorial is geared for today. And with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it and start by opening up the File tab at the top left corner of the Excel window. Select the Info option on the left column, and on the right side where it says Protect Workbook, a password is required to open this workbook. Select the Protect Workbook button, and where it says Encrypt with Password, require a password to open this workbook. Go ahead and open that up. Go ahead and delete whatever's currently in this field to just leave it empty, and select OK, and that will remove the password going forward. So you will likely have to go save the Excel worksheet, and then if we reopened it, it should no longer require a password. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.